Hello my dear friends, welcome to Ranorex tutorial. In this session we are going to execute the test case and we will review our report. So let's start the session. Open Ranorex Studio. Go to your recording, double click on it. Now the recording view will open over here. So we can execute that recording test by using the test suite. So there is a two ways to reach to the particular test suite. You can just click on this view button. So the particular test suite will get open, or otherwise just double click on database test.rxtest files. So from here also you can open the test suite file. In this test suite file you can see the test case with the setup and teardown region. In this setup and teardown region we have added the test recording that we have previously recorded. In start AUT you can see this is the exe path of our demo application. So once we start running our application, this demo application is automatically get launched from here. As well as in close AUT, that particular application will get closed. So you can run this particular recording by clicking on run button. So just click on it. Now here you can see the solution is building right now. Just wait for it. It will take a bit time. When the test run starts, two status windows will appear as the Ranorex Studio, which will perform the actions in the recording. This is called as a test run status, and the second one will be the progress information. So you can see the progress information window at bottom right hand side over here. Now you can see the application has been launched automatically. Now it's entering the data and performing the operations on Ranorex demo application. So you enter David. Now it will click on submit button. And it will automatically verify the welcome David. An application has been closed at the end of execution. When the test run finishes, the report opens in a new tab in the Ranorex Studio. And if everything went as intended, so you can see the large green pie chart over here. Now we will look into the report details. Click an arrow to expand the details. And after expanding this particular test case, you can see that these three different modules that we had added in our test suite file over here, like start AUT, test recording, and close AUT. And inside this one you can see the detailed information with respect to that one. Like inside the start AUT, we had opened this Ranorex demo application. Then in test recording, we had performed the certain operations and actions like mouse click, key sequence David. Then we clicked on a submit button, and then we validated the welcome David message over there. And in teardown, we had closed the. Then after the execution, you can see this particular report inside the reports folder. So here the reports has been generated, and you can look into it by double clicking on it. So the particular report will get opened into the file view of Ranorex Studio. So that's it for today. If you want to learn in more details and other components of the recording, I will add a few more videos about the recording, and I will explain there each and every component with respect to Ranorex Studio recording in a different playlist, and I will mention that particular link in the description. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.